I'm in the beautiful display gardens at Adelman Peonies with Carol Adelman. Carol, the gardens are gorgeous this year as always.
Oh, thank you. The sunshine always helps bring out the color.
Yeah, they are so pretty. And really, it's lovely to stroll around the garden here, but are there other places to stroll?
Yes, people are welcome to go out in the field. It is quite a little hike, but they're welcome to go out and see what's blooming there.
There's so many acres there. It's really interesting to see them all in mass out there in the fields.
25 acres.
Wow, wow. And I know when we come out this time of year, you can stroll around, but then you can also bring things home.
Yes, we have cut flowers that you can purchase and potted peonies to place in your garden, and of course the new peony book.
Ah, yes, we talked about that just a few weeks ago. Carol, the display garden is gorgeous, but it really is something to see. You see those plants in their place and how big they're going to get, what they're going to look like.
Yes, you can see their stature and whether they're very upright. And also we have a lot of companion plants. We planted it like it would be someone's garden so that you can really enjoy it for many seasons of the year.
I like it because you can take ideas home. You just bring your camera and take ideas all around the garden. I think that's the best part.
Yes, a lot of people bring their cameras.
And so in the little nursery there, and there's a lot of different kinds of peonies. It's really hard to pick, but let's go over like the different kinds of peonies that are for the garden.
Well, there are the species peonies, but they kind of stay up in the mountains where they belong. And the bush peonies, those are the ones that people are most familiar with that die down to the ground in the winter. The tree peony has woody stems that stay up in the winter. And then the intersectional or ito is a cross between the tree peony and bush peony. And it also dies to the ground in the winter, has beautiful foliage on it.
And so we pick out the one that we love and we bring it home. So how do we care for it?
Well, if you buy a potted plant, we have a sheet of instructions, but mostly they like at least 6 hours of sun and well-drained soil. And if they're happy, they can stay in the same place for 50 to 100 years.
Oh my gosh, not many perennials that do that.
No.
That is amazing. That is amazing. And coming out these next few weekends, there's lots of activities to do.
There's the Volkswalk, and we just had the Mother's Day special. We'll have a special on the flowers for Memorial Weekend.
Ah, that is really nice. And all the information's on the website.
Yes.
So, you know, there's so many things that you would need to come out and see in this beautiful garden, the whole area here around the farm. Just make sure you bring a hat, wear good shoes, because there's a little bit of walking to do out in this beautiful area. So please go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to Adelman's and you can find out all the information about coming out to this beautiful garden. Thanks so much.